Okay, so this is a box. Okay, so really this is a tap light set I got from Amazon. I bought 2 sets of these. These are stickies for the backing. 2 remotes, but you may only need 1. Because the other set I have in place, and then they operate with just 1. So I guess the second remote is just a backup. And they look real nice. The LEDs. They require 3 AAA batteries. Which, when you put them in, which actually Amazon had a nice 36 count AA batteries. And AAA. Now these are these little markings here. That's where you know what to line them up at. Because otherwise, if you don't, you really can't really work. Right. So it's like it specifically grew for that, like that. There we go. And the push button or the remote button activated. One question I have is, will it turn on from the other remote? Yes, it will. So I may not even need these remotes that come with this set. So now I'll put batteries in the other ones. Okay, batteries are in. Now before I do anything, I want to mention that the remotes come in these little plastic bags and are protected, and have batteries included, and are protected by this little battery tab, pull tab here. So yeah, but I already have one active here. All activate. Now, as you can see, there's 10%, 40%, 80%, 100%, and there's timers for how long they will stay on. And there's also dimming automatically button. Sticky, just peel off and stick here and wait for the where you want to put it. And you will end up with extra stickies too. So see, I ended up with 4 because I used 2 remaining from the last set. I now have 4. Alright, so now I'm going to put these last 6 in place and then show you what I did with how I used them. So as you can see, this is what I did. I do need to get a 3rd set. You can see the dark areas I need to fill and do something for up there too. You know, they all work on one remote, but they just have to keep pressing the on or off button until they all are on. But that looks pretty good. I like that a lot. That works even better than I thought it would. Let's see. Now they should all go off in 10 minutes. See, when they blink, that's how you know they're all set to the timer. Fortunately, I'm not going to let it stay here and wait for 10 minutes for them to go off. I can't. So that's it. Thanks for watching.